Now, children, let us see what are the maximum and minimum thermometers. They are the thermometers which are used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of the day. They are used by the scientists. Scientists use these kind of thermometer. It is shown here. See, maximum and minimum temperature is shown by this kind of thermometer. Now comes this relation between the minute, second, hour, and day. So let us read about it. You might have studied in maths also that 1 minute has got 60 seconds, 1 hour has got 60 minutes, and 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So this relation you must know. It is helpful in maths also. Now about the scale, you all know that in the small on the small scale you can see centimeters, and one side centimeters and millimeters are there, and on the other side you see inches. Yeah, so millimeters is equal to m, like not is equal to, this is mm, it is shown by short form mm. Like kilometers, for kilometers we write km. So the readings are in centimeters, which each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts called millimeters. Very small things are measured in millimeters. Right? This you can do on your own. And this I have told that a salesman in a clothes shop uses a steel rod which is 1 meter long to measure the length of a cloth. A tailor uses a measuring tape to measure the chest of your size or trousers. This is measuring tape. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. This is shown on your scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. In olden times, people used body parts to measure length, like handspan, like this. They used to measure 1, 2, like that. So these were the some of the methods, or by their foot. And one more thing was sand. Now, how heavy it is, the weight of an object is measured in grams and kilograms, right? We buy many things by weight. We buy fruits and vegetables, pulses by weight. Things bought in large quantities are measured in kilograms. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram or 1 kg. This is beam balance. Can you see? Earlier this kind of machine was used to measure weight. Now also vendors and all, they use this kind of machines, but on big shops you see the previous machine I showed you, that is digital one. How much is it? So this is liquid, measuring a liquid. For measuring a liquid, this bottle is of 1 liters. It is, liquids are measured in liters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This bucket contains how many liters of water? That you can understand. Now, the amount of liquid that a container can hold is called its capacity. Capacity means how much it can hold, how much water can come in this bucket, or how much water can come in this bottle. That is called its capacity. Water tank is there in everybody's house, on the top of the house, from where the water goes to all the taps and all. So that is also having some capacity. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. You have to learn all the new words: thermometer, temperature, digital watch, stopwatch, capacity, all these. Clear? Read the lesson once more. Thank you. Have a nice day.